up, guys? I have a bumper removal video on a 2013 Chevy Impala. It's probably going to be a quarter panel replacement as well. I'm just waiting for the adjuster to come out, take a look at it, and then give me the okay, the go ahead to basically get the process going and how much it's going to be or whatever. You know, all that good stuff. But yeah, you guys stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about this video. Like I said, I'll come back later when I get the job done and everything with the quarter panel video. But y'all stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think. I already said that in the comment section below. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys around. So I begin by taking the two pushing clips that it has on the wheel well. I take the first one off. Then I go to the top and I switch to my panel clip remover tool because it was kind of hard to wedge it in between the retainer. So I wedge it apart a little bit and then I just pull it apart. Then I go to the bottom of the bumper and the liner is being held by a 7mm bolt. I remove that as well. Once I do this, I'm ready to remove the bolt that's on the inside. And I show you guys that it's a 10mm bolt and it's hidden behind the liner and the bumper. So I go ahead and get my 10mm ratchet and socket and I just go ahead and remove that bolt. And basically what I'm doing to this side, I'm going to just go ahead and repeat to the other side. Removing the clip again, the retainer, whatever you want to call it. I remove one by one. Then I go to the bottom after I remove this one and I remove the 7mm screw that's being held in the bottom. Once I do this, I remove the 10. Basically whatever I did to the opposite side, I'm doing on this side. Once I do this, I go to the back of the bumper and I get in the bottom of it and I remove the 4 pushing clips that it has on the impact bar using my panel clip remover tool. It's kind of hard to tell if it's like dark or not, so I just went ahead and lit up the light, and I know you kind of can't see it, but it's hard to tell when like recording and working at the same time. So yeah, I apologize for like the lack of visibility. Right there I got, this is the one actually. Right here I get dust in my eye. Oh, shake it off. But once I do that, I go inside, open the trunk. I remove this little screw here. It's just a plastic screw that goes on the trim piece panel. I remove one on each side, and once I remove this, it's going to give me access to four bolts that are behind on the rear body panel attached to the bumper. I remove that. And then these are the 4 screws that I'm talking about. There's 1. There's 2. 3. 4. That's the trim piece panels that has to come off. And then on the side, you're going to have 2 10mm bolts going down to the bumper. There's one and there's the other one in the back. So I begin by removing the ones on the rear body panel. Last one here. Once I do that, I remove the ones that are on the back side that I showed you earlier. I had removed one previously to this, so I didn't get it on film, but I removed both of those. And then on the opposite side, you're going to see me actually remove both of them. There goes one. And there goes the other. Once I do that, that's pretty much it. I just remove my bumper. Start removing it slowly because there's some wires attached to it. And I noticed that there, and then I remove it. I had removed the left side already, so I just go ahead and show you what I did on the right side. But I was just looking for it, feeling for it, and I basically disconnected the wire. And I'm gonna show you guys here. It's just like a little pulling motion. You just pull forward and push back, and that's how you get that wire out. And then I just remove this one here. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Again, this is going to be a quarter panel video. You guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys around. Peace.